In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make extra cash selling Notion templates. If you've been on the lookout for an exciting side hustle, look no further. We're diving into 5 compelling reasons why this could be your perfect fit. First off, let's talk about low startup costs. One of the greatest things about creating and selling Notion templates is that you don't need to break the bank to get started. Unlike traditional businesses that require inventory or expensive equipment, all you really need here is a Notion account and your creativity. You can design templates entirely online, which means the costs are minimal. Think more about investing your time and skills rather than your wallet. Now, let's discuss the passive income potential. Once you've crafted a well-designed template and put it out there for sales, it can continue bringing in income long after you're done with your initial effort. This means you create a digital product once and it has the potential to earn you money while you focus on other things. It's an excellent way to diversify your income streams without constantly having to trade your time for money. Next up is the huge market demand. Notion has skyrocketed in popularity, becoming a go-to tool for professionals, students, and productivity enthusiasts alike. With so many people turning to Notion to streamline their workflow, there's a growing demand for templates that make using the platform even easier and more effective. By tapping into this market, you're positioning yourself where there's already a need, which is a smart move in any business venture. The fourth reason is the freedom to be creative. Selling Notion templates allows you to unleash your creative potential. You get to design unique functional templates that are a reflection of your personal style and ingenuity. This isn't just about making money, it's also about expressing your ideas and helping others by offering solutions they might not have considered. Creativity meets productivity, and that's a combination many find satisfying and fulfilling. The final reason is the fun and flexibility of this side hustle. Unlike more rigid side gigs, creating and selling Notion templates lets you work on your own terms. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can work when you feel most inspired. Plus, the whole process is genuinely enjoyable. It's a fantastic way to turn something you enjoy into a revenue stream with the freedom to work and earn without compromising your primary commitments. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Engage with your audience and gather feedback. By understanding what works for others, you can refine your templates and watch your sales grow. Staying connected with your customers opens up opportunities for future projects and collaborations, further boosting your income potential. And there you have it, 5 game-changing reasons to consider selling Notion templates as a side hustle. Whether you're just starting or looking to amplify your hustle, this could be the perfect opportunity to explore. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.